Hi everyone, welcome to another video from Destinations by Del Castillo. Today we are on the Norwegian Prima and we are in a Haven category H5 owner's suite. Not aft, we are on the side of the ship and we'll give you a little tour. We happen to be in cabin 12920, so deck 12, cabin 920. And when you first walk in, you have a really large walk-in closet. With drawers, a safe, your beach towels. It's a really nice walk-in closet, and you can always ask for extra hangers. Opposite of the closet, instead of having access through a master bedroom, you have the bathroom in the hallway. The shower is really nice. Separate water closet. This cabin does sleep for, so if you wanted to have kids out here on the couch, you could. Has a little dining area. You do have your own private butler and access to all the Haven amenities. They have everything kind of filled in, like supplied here, so all your coffees, teas, soda water, different drinks are all complimentary. We do get a few bottles of alcohol complimentary, and they will refill it as you use it. And then this is the bedroom. You can go out on your balcony through the bedroom. We happen to be sailing from Southampton. And we have a pretty nice sized balcony. We have dining for 4. And then 2 big comfy chairs here. And here is Southampton. About a 2-hour drive from London. A couple different ships in port today. All right, there you have it. The owner's Haven Suite, category H5. Feel free to leave comments or questions. And thanks for watching, and please subscribe.